Thanks a lot for giving this opportunity, ETCIO. As I'm in Bangalore South and part of the Canara Bank. So I started my journey having 24-year experience and started with Infosys as a developer, then joined Society General for setting up their captive investment unit here. Then IDFC First Bank, full bank I set up for them on the retail and the wholesale. Then Kotak Mahindra Bank with Uday Kotak sir on the investment unit, and got opportunity to work with Canara Bank, now as a Chief Digital Officer. Considering the scale, complexity, ecosystem, I also tweeted few days before that is very important, whatever the situation we are in, we have to adapt to the situation what we are there and have to keep delivering. So all this different experience helps me to tell where we are on this, and also be able to give you my perspective of both India and Bharat, because the previous 3 years experience will only give me India experience. But being at the PSU Bank, we also get to know how the Bharat experience is there. And also we all, Bangalore as a fintech hub, we more think on the urban part, we see that everything is digital, why we have to go to the bank and all that. But that is not the reality of more than 60-70% Indians or more than that who are in Bharat area. They still come to the branch, 4-5 lakh people still come every day for deposit or for NEFT, RTGS fund transfer and all. Yeah. So overall we are blessed with 11 plus crore customers. Every year we add 1 plus crore customers. And 95% transactions are happening digitally. Thanks to UPI and the QR transactions, and the people who come to the branches are doing the transaction. So the cash is less, more than 95% is happening through digitally way. And we are promoting more and more cash recycler rather than ATM, with the objective of reducing pressure on the teller, and 24/7 the customer can do both deposit and withdrawal from the cash withdrawal part. This is the overall digital which we are there to have a perspective that how we are able to give digital products to all our customers which are there, whether it's a retail or a merchant customer. So starting with our mobile app, which is used by 3 crore plus customers, and last 1 year, 50% customers have onboarded in this platform when I joined. We are the only second PSU bank who is having the corporate app, and we are putting more and more people to use the app part. Merchant app is there. See, our objective for the customers is, on the digital way, let the customers do their business. Let we work with the technology partners, fintech partner to build the technology solutions for them. And the cash collection, payment, reconciliation, mainly where the customers are coming to the branches, we don't want them to come. We want them to do from their own home, from themselves. So we have delivered multiple solutions like API banking, where from their ERP, we can do the salary processing, fund transfers, collection, vendor payments, all that for them. So they don't have to come to the branches for that. So that with the ease we have built. We have integrated with SAP, Oracle, Zoho, Tally, all that. Same way we have built a solution where, as many of you are fintech, we have tied up with 8 to 9 fintech partners on the payment gateway. We are happy to partner with more and more, where we want the customers who have their own merchant sites can onboard, because at the end of the day, these merchants needs a bank to offer them the many more facilities which a fintech partner can't offer them. So they need a bank. So we are happy to partner with this payment gateways solution, offer to the merchants so that more and more customers use this payment gateway partner and be Canara Bank customers and leverage more and more relationships. Many institutes, including IIM, IIT, NITs, normal schools, local schools, district schools, colleges, we have provided the same solution to them, where who does not have a website, but they still need a collection and payment to happen of the fees. How we do that? So we have built a custom solution for them, which we say as an easy fee, where we are making their website, which is available in 1 week itself, with the own white label solution of their own school. The same we have given to IIM, Code and all, where the fees collection payment is happening through that platform. That is the way, because for us, it's very important what customer needs. We are able to give them those solutions. Then only they will be engaging with us and partnering with us. We are the first bank. We have 180 plus monuments tied up in India, our part. So what we have done is, UPI is there, UPI Lite is there, there's UPI 1, 2, 3. The people still have smartphones. Sorry, the featured phones, not the smartphones. There is a low land network, there is a long queue which is there on the monuments to book tickets. So we have built a custom solution UPI 123 for them, where as of now we have done for 20 monuments and soon we'll be launching for all the monuments in India. What happens is the lot of cash revenue, the cash part goes away, it comes to the digital. The people who have normal feature phone, they're able to book tickets and through SMS they get the ticket. They don't have to go into the queues and all. This solution we are putting it for electricity collection. Like you see, if you for the electricity bill payment, in urban cities there is a POS, you scan the QR, you pay the money. But you imagine in the rural scenario, if they have to pay the money, they still have to come to the electricity department and pay the money. We want to leverage this UPI 123 solution, featured phone to those rural areas, so let them not come to the electricity department and pay money, let them do from their home. So we are building solution what we have done for the urban, same way for our rural areas, the school and universities and all, so that they should also leverage the digital platform. As of now, the most of the rural and semi-urban customers are using only the QR as a digital for them. They have not gone to the next level of using more and more mobile app, more and more deposit creation or loan through that. So we are building what are the bridges there between the urban and these rural areas, how we can build digital journeys which is easy for them, local languages for them, assist them. So we have Digimitras in the branches. So each branch, our 10,000 branches, everybody has a Digimitra. So what our customer come to the branch, we assist them, handhold them, that this is the way you have to handhold it. Because unless until we feel these customers do not come to the digital, India will not, Bharat will not become digital, and India will not get access to this digital penetration and all. So that's why these offer products we are given to all the solutions which are there. Digital rupees there, what we have done is we have done the programmable CBDC with the RBI, where whatever the subsidy comes, we are able to segregate that this subsidy is for the LPG, this subsidy is for this. So we have done it for the pilot with the one of the oil company in Lucknow, where whatever the owner is giving the subsidy to this, their employers are only used for the oil purpose, no other purposes. Now we have done the offline CBDC in the CBDC part, and many merchants we are offering them to use the more and more CBDC part, because like similar to the wallet, with a digital rupee, and more penetration will happen and more use cases we are doing. Now we are using the blockchain and tokenization technology there in our other payment area. So after having 24 years experience, the focus is on digital product penetration for both India and Bharat. That is our main focus, and make a custom solution. What our custom solution is possible, we want to focus there. Like in Manipal Hospital here, lot of deposit happens, where before you get a room, you have to deposit some money. Then only the patient gets a room. But there is a human dependency. Somebody has to be there, collect the money, a receipt has to be generated. Who will give solution to them? So we have given the solution of cash deposit, where the receipt is coming 24/7, and the patient can get the room easily. So these are the cash deposit solution we have done. Easy fee I have told. Now in BMTC, DTDC, we have put a full transport solution, where the BMTC buses, whatever the buses are there, those transport we have given the POS solution to them, a customized solution, where each of the bus route, the fare route, they are able to configure the full multiple solution available to supported via cash, QR, card. They can collect the money, and end of the trip, the conductor will be able to generate a bill, how much is the overall tally, tickets booked and the amount collected. So this digital solution we have given, and all BMTC buses, Delhi Transport, they are the one who has onboarded with us. Anyway, Bangalore, the Bestcom is already onboarded with us on the POS. We have extended the solution. So these are the ways we want to onboard more and more merchants, more and more government officers, the private officers to our solution, and have a customized for them, plug and play for them, so that they can use this digital and help them in be part of this digital journey. Digimitra, as I told, all this has helped us 8 to 11% incremental growth on both saving and current account and the loan part on this part. On the customer experience, we are working with the AI part. We have built 50 AI/ML models already, which is there. We are pioneer in the mule account. We are able to find these are the mule accounts are there on T-1 basis of yesterday day, and we debit freeze them. And we are working with RBI on that, on the mule account, which is mainly happening due to the frauds and how the money is routing is happening. Our lot of focus is there on both all our customers, how we can give personalized experience to them, because future is personalized, how we can make more and more digital journeys for them, and how we can leverage our AI based on 11 crore customers base data and give them the right product, what is available for them. And that is helping us to increase more and more engagement of the customers and more activation of the customers. There are certain set of customers, more than 30 crore women are there in India on the rural semi-urban who are not on the credit history, but they need loan. So what we have done is we have done the self-help group loans. We are going to their homes. In 30 minutes, we open full end-to-end journey digitally way. The KYC, Aadhaar, through the Aadhaar-based KYC journey we open their saving account, we give them the loan and bring them in the credit history. Same way, I have not put it, but Swanidhi is there, where all you see vendor account holders. We tied up with the district and municipalities, where we give them 6 facilities at one go. In 5 minutes, we give them. We open their account, we give them the QR, we give them the sound box, we give them insurance, we give them saving account, and we also ask them insurance and deposit. That is what we want to bring them into this digital part so that they come to the bank and we are able to offer all these services to them to get more and more digital penetration to them. And once they 6 months, they get 10,000, after that 15,000, 20,000. That way they are able to use more and more consumption will happen in India. Now, earlier, before 5-7 years, most of the leads are happening over phone or the branch person will go visit and meet. But now 80% of our leads are through the AI tool, data analytics. So all those leads come to the call center, to the branches, 20% effort goes in that conversion. So that helps us to have more and more conversion. What we have done is 1,000 pin code we have taken, and we have done the geo-tagging with Microsoft and Google, where all those 2 to 3 kilometer radius, what are hospitals, universities, schools, merchants are there, all those are our leads, and which are our customers or not our customers, how we can offer them. So this solution is already live for 1,000. Now we are extending for all 10,000 branches on the geolocation part. Mule account I mentioned. AIML we are doing, but our main focus is on the customer service, our sales, our fraud monitoring, and Mule account. And whatever we want to do more on the ROI basis. And once we are satisfied, then we want to do more and more use cases on the AML part. Security is more important for us. You might have seen there are a lot of cyber security threats are there and all that. So a lot of invention we are doing on the cyber security part, on the fraud monitoring. So real time we are able to detect the fraud which are monitored. And what are the patterns we are not able to do? Real time that pattern is getting updated and the model is getting updated with those patterns which comes. Lot of our focus is on ensuring all our platforms are scalable, reliable, and we don't put any PI data of our customers, as sir mentioned, on the DPTP also outside our data center. Everything is on premise. Yes, we are leveraging cloud, but we are leveraging cloud on non-PI data, on leveraging cloud what is best of cloud. Where based on our experience, we feel the cloud is good on the elasticity, scalability. So we have put OpenShift container into our platform on premise to do the container based. And we are tied up with a lot of OpEx partners to use their technologies on the SaaS based for our customer journeys. A lot of focus now is on the platform engineering. Instead of putting the product part, we want to see how we can put a platform and put it, and more on the responsible AI. That is what, as a bank, is very important, the regulatory and the governance. We do the responsible AI part. We are happy to partner with any of the fintech who is there, has any solution as a partnership, and more, where our customers are growing, we want our Canara Bank presence to be there, and happy to also partner on the OpEx-based solutions to leverage more and more custom solutions, more and more services to our customers to help them in their journey as well. These are the few parts how we go to the customer and bring them to the banking. Sometimes the customers are coming to us, sometimes we go to us, how we assist them in this part. That's it from my side, and thanks a lot. Any queries are there, happy to answer, because I thought the presentation is better. I can't tell in the wording and all that, how we are doing it. And the perspective was mainly how, as a bank of 11 crore customers, we want to ensure we are safe, the banker trustworthy digital solution, both for India customers and Bharat customers. We want to balance both out, plus ensure Bharat customers also leverage these technologies and do more and more digital so that we reduce pressure on the branches and have more and more digital journeys available for them. This is our focus.